Looking for the best dust extractor to keep your workspace clean and safe? Today we're breaking down the top systems, ranked from weakest to best, so stick around to find out which one's right for you. Let's kick things off with the Fein Turbo 1. It lands at the bottom of our ranking, not because it's a bad tool, but because it's missing some features that serious woodworkers or contractors might need. Still, this compact vacuum is a popular choice for folks looking for strong suction in a small package. The Turbo 1 is no slouch when it comes to power. With 151 cubic feet per minute of airflow and nearly 100 inches of water lift, it can handle most shop messes with ease. Plus, it's super quiet compared to most shop vacs, just 66 decibels. That makes it one of the least annoying tools to have running in the background. It also features tool-triggered auto start, which is perfect for sanding or cutting tasks where you want the vac to start and stop automatically. But here's the downside. This model is rated for L-class dust, not HEPA. That means it's fine for general cleanup, but might not meet stricter safety standards if you're working with hazardous dust. The capacity is also on the small side, so you'll be emptying it more often than the bigger models. If you're a hobbyist with limited space, the Turbo 1 is a great compact option for light to medium duty use. And by the way, if you're interested in any of the products in today's video, I've left links to the best prices right down in the description. Next up is the Jienuo dust extractor, and it lands just above the Fein in our ranking. This machine packs more filtration power thanks to its 3-stage system, including a HEPA filter that traps fine dust. It's also got decent suction at 140 cubic feet per minute, making it more than capable for most job site tasks. One standout feature is the semi-automatic filter cleaning. When suction starts to drop, you can press a button to shake the filter clean. Super handy for longer jobs. The Jienuo also includes a tool activation interface, plus a wet and dry function with a water filtration stage. That's something you don't see in every extractor. But let's talk about the drawbacks. First off, it's heavy, almost 30 pounds, and it's louder than most options on this list, hitting around 78 decibels. Some users also report receiving units missing parts like hoses or adapters, which can be frustrating right out of the box. And unlike Makita or DeWalt models, the filter cleaning isn't automatic. You have to push the button yourself. This one's a good fit for budget-conscious users who need real HEPA filtration but don't mind a little extra weight or noise. And hey, if you're getting value from this video so far, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on future reviews. Now let's talk about the DeWalt DWV010. This dust extractor climbs higher in the rankings thanks to its automatic filter cleaning system, which blasts out the filters every 30 seconds to keep suction consistent without manual intervention. That's a huge time saver. With 150 cubic feet per minute of airflow, it's just as powerful as some of the best extractors out there. It also comes with a heavy-duty anti-static hose and tool-triggered auto start, which makes it super convenient when paired with other power tools. Its compact size and 21-pound weight make it easier to move around the job site compared to heavier models like the Makita. But it's not perfect. The DeWalt runs loud at 76 decibels, and it doesn't offer variable speed control, which means you're always running it at full blast whether you need that much suction or not. The hose is also smaller in diameter, so it can clog if you're vacuuming up larger debris. If you need a reliable HEPA system for EPA-regulated tasks like lead paint removal, the DeWalt is a smart pick, especially if you prioritize portability and automatic filter cleaning. Moving into the top tier, let's take a look at the Festool CT-15. This is a premium compact dust extractor designed for clean, quiet operation. It's fully HEPA certified and has a sleek, small footprint that fits easily into smaller shops or job sites. The CT-15 is ultra quiet, just 62 decibels at its lowest setting, which is practically whisper level compared to louder extractors. It has adjustable suction power, which is great for dialing in just the right airflow. Plus, it comes with smart storage for tools and accessories, keeping your workspace tidy. The self-cleaning bag helps maintain suction and saves you from messy filter maintenance. Now it does have a few limitations. It's smaller in capacity to the Makita or even the DeWalt, so you'll need to empty it more frequently if you're doing large jobs. And while it has tool-activated start, it doesn't have Bluetooth capabilities for cordless tools. Those upgrades are sold separately. This is the perfect extractor for woodworkers and finish carpenters who need super clean air, quiet operation, and don't mind paying a bit extra for premium features. Finally, at the very top of our list is the Makita dust extractor. This one stands out for combining serious power with super quiet operation. At just 60 decibels, it's quieter than most conversations, yet it still pulls 148 cubic feet of air per minute and lifts 92 inches of water. The Makita also features fully automatic filter cleaning, which means you can work longer without worrying about clogs or suction drop-off. It has a huge 11-gallon capacity, which is ideal for bigger projects or job sites. It even supports AWS Auto Start if you purchase the optional Bluetooth adapter. The trade-off? It's heavy, about 35 pounds, so you'll want to wheel it around rather than carry it. And some users report getting a dummy filter in the box that needs replacing right away. Replacement bags and filters are also pricier compared to budget models. This is the extractor for professionals who need maximum performance with minimum noise. If you're working in fine woodworking, construction, or renovation, it's worth every penny. Alright, that wraps up our deep dive into the best dust extraction systems. If you want to check out any of these products at the best prices, all the links are down in the description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more top tool reviews. See you in the next one.